Something changed inside Apple Park last year. For a long time, we were used to the incremental Apple. The Apple that gave us 10% more speed and called it a revolution. But as we sit here in February 2026, the silence surrounding the MacBook Pro M5 Max has finally been broken, and it is clear that Apple has stopped playing safe. If you are a creative professional, a developer, or an AI engineer in the US right now, you are standing at a crossroads. You've seen the M1 Max change the world, the M2 and M3 refine it, and the M4 prove that power has no ceiling. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But the M5 Max. This isn't just an upgrade. This is the first machine designed from the ground up for the post-AI world. According to the latest benchmarks and supply chain leaks, the M5 Max is about to make your current laptop feel like a typewriter. Welcome to the deep dive into the 2026 MacBook Pro M5 Max. This is the machine that's going to redefine what Pro actually means. The M5 Max architecture, the 3nm Plus masterpiece. To understand why this machine is scaring the competition, we have to look at the silicon. The M5 Max is built on TSMC's N3P process, an enhanced 3nm architecture that squeezes more transistors into the same space than ever before. We are looking at a projected 16-core CPU and a staggering 40-core GPU. But here is the number that should stop you in your tracks: the neural engine. Leaks suggest that the AI performance on the M5 Max is 3.5 times faster than the M4 Max. This isn't just for Siri. This is for local LLMs, real-time generative video editing, and code compilation that happens before you even finish typing. In a US market where local AI is becoming the standard for privacy and speed, the M5 Max is the only laptop that can truly keep up without phoning home to a server. The unified memory breakthrough, 550 gigabytes per second. We often talk about RAM, but we don't talk enough about bandwidth. The M5 Max is rumored to feature a unified memory bandwidth of up to 550 gigabytes per second. For context, that's faster than some dedicated desktop gaming rigs. Why does this matter? Because when you're working on an 8K timeline in DaVinci Resolve or training a custom machine learning model, the bottleneck is usually how fast data moves between the memory and the chip. With 550 gigabytes per second, that bottleneck is gone. The M5 Max can reportedly handle up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory with zero lag. You can literally have a 3D render happening in the background while you edit a 400-track orchestral score in Logic Pro, and the system won't even spin its fans. Thunderbolt 5, the end of the cable struggle. The ports on a MacBook Pro are the lifeblood of a studio. While the base M5 models are sticking with Thunderbolt 4, the M5 Max is officially ushering in the Thunderbolt 5 era. We are talking about 120 gigabits per second of bandwidth. This is a massive win for US-based creators who use multi-monitor setups. With Thunderbolt 5, you can drive three 6K Pro Display XDRs at 120 Hz from a single laptop. Or, you can transfer a 1 terabyte file in less than 20 seconds. This is the level of instant that professionals have been dreaming